For cosmetic reasons, women, men, they put whatever on their teeth. Have you ever seen or heard?
I have seen and heard about it, yes.
Bathi sele wezwa ke yini mayelana nodaba labantu ke lapho ke sithi abantu besilisa noma besimame ke lapho ke abasebenza khona ke izinto lezi bafake emazinyweni abo nje ukuthi mhlawumbe ke izinto engathi mhlawumbe as a cosmetic ke sithi amagolide enyana athi yebo sele ngakuzwa lokho.
And have you ever heard of a person who sustains either a broken tooth or a tooth with a hole?
Amazinyo ke mhlawumbe asela amazinyo ke egamukile besahlala salapho ke enombhobo ovulekile ke yena ke athi yebo sele ngakuzwa lokho futhi sele ngakubona.
And have you ever heard a person going to a dentist to inlay either a molten metal or even gold in a tooth which has a hole? Or you just take it out? I know we are poor.
Yeah.
When you have a hole in the tooth, you just take it out.
Oh, what I know with regard to that is when you have a hole, you can go to a dentist, like I did myself, and they patched that hole. They put something to cover that hole.
So you have an inlaid stoppage on your tooth, as you are now?
Yes.
Can I see it?
It's invisible, but I can open
Okay,
them.
no, just... And you say you went to a dentist?
Yes, I
Because
did.
you had a hole?
Yes.
Right? And he implanted or inlaid?
They cleaned my tooth with whatever, very cold stuff.
Yeah.
Then after they put something like, I don't know whether I will say it's like a tooth paste. And then after they grinded it.
Yeah.
Bathi ngabe sele wakuzwa yini mayelana nomuntu ukuthi mhlawumbe uma ngabe nombhobo ke ngaphakathi kuzinyo lakhe besahamba kolibhesha ke ukuthi afake izinyo legolide ke lapho ke athi cha kepha ke nake mana nayo ufakazi athi yena kade enombhobo ngaphakathi kuzinyo lakhe bese wahamba ku dentist ke lapho ke futhi udokotela ke wamazinyo ke ngesikhathi bafika lapho ke athi khona ke into abayenza la ke yena ke qala bamgeza kamazinyo ke ngemuva kwalokho ke bese bamfaka ke lokuzana enye bandayo ngesikhathi athi bemfaka lelo kuzana bandayo leyo ke kade bephesha ke lapho izinyo lakhe leli kade ligamukile lenombhobo kulona.
Yeah, in the townships, if you don't know about it, you can say you don't know. Have you ever seen persons who have teeth, as I say, encrusted with gold? Like the guys who sing, for instance.
Yes, I do come across such people. They put everywhere on their teeth. The whole front teeth. Yes, you can visibly see teeth.
Yeah, but the point I'm trying to
one
make...
of my colleagues, he has such.
Hello?
One of my colleagues,
Oh.
he has those gold also.
He's a policeman.
Yes.
And he's got what? Golden incrustation
Yes.
for fashion.
For fashion and we are organized crime. You can see me. It's not allowed in the police, but look how I look.
Yeah.
Yes.
Bathi ngabe sohlekana naye umuntu yini ke mthamba sithi lapho ke kwindawo ehlala kuzona ke emalokishini futhi uthi mhlawumbe fake ke amagolide ke kumazinyo wakhe ke wonkana athi yebo ukhona esele ukuhlangana nabantu abanjalo ke esikhathini esiningi futhi ukhona futhi omunye oza kwabo asebenza la ngaphansi uzesiphoyisa ke naye thuna lamazinyo ogolide ke amaningi ke yena ke wathi manje kungani kunalodaba lolo ke athi basebenza ngamacala akhe anobungozi kakhulu kepha abavumela ukuthi bakwenze lokho ke kepha naye ke ukwenzile ngokuthi unayo nentshitshana lakhe yena ke.
Okay. Yeah, but basic anatomy, as an adult, you know that it consists of tissues, bone, muscles.
That's correct.
Hairs. But you have never, if you have seen that, you must not agree with me, but you have never seen a guy who has an anatomical feature which he is born with, consisting of metal.
I've never seen that. That's correct.
Okay, any questions arising?
None, my lord.
Just the one regarding the court's question on the the teeth that are worn, gold teeth or metallic, shiny teeth
Ah, or
that are
silver.
put by artists, mainly rappers. Do you know whether or not those features are permanent?
No, I cannot tell. I think some are permanent, some are not. So I cannot specifically say they are permanent or they are not.
And when you live here, go and Google. They are called grills. Go and have a look at them. But I'm done with you.
Grills.
Grills.
Oh, okay.
Bekabuza ke ummeli kule muntu qhamukile la inkosenkantolo thini nalaba abaculayo ke sithi ama artist ke lapho ke ukuthi amazinyo abo egolide ke abafakile abamhlamba bafake umphelo noma bangabuye bawakhiphe futhi ke acha kanalo ulwazi ngodaba lolo.
Just for my clarification, Mr. Ramsey, when you say permanent, what do you want to convey?
If they are, for example, my lord, let's take somebody who's got a golden tooth. When he goes to sleep, he doesn't remove it.
Yeah, but we're talking about permanent.
Yes.
Is he born with
Not
that?
born with.
Is,
Not
that,
born with.
is he born with?
Not born with.
Okay, fine. Then
Yes.
we agree. Fine.
Yes.
Please, the coordinator, just one point. Say, are you aware that some of the examples that have been made by the court have got a potential to affect the color of the teeth of a person?
Bathi ngabona lo yini ulwazi uthi le kumalana nalezibonelo inkosi enkantolo kade senza ke ngazo ke ukuthi mhlawumbe ziba nomthelela obuthizeni uma ngabe sibuka ke indlela umbala wamazinyo womuntu.
I'm not so sure exactly. Maybe it can have such, but I've never experienced that. To be honest with you, I have never seen a person who took out a gold, né, and then left the teeth with another color or something. I've never seen that.
Athakanaso isiqiniseko salokho ekhulumeni lakhe kodwa akakahlangana nomuntu ke ade afake izinto legolide ke bese abuya likhipheke bese ngemva lokho abuke kumbala walezi zinto kade kufakwe kulona ke igolide kumhlabe lingabe lingabuya lishintshe ke bese banombala onjani.
However, I'm not saying it could not, it could. I'm neutral on that issue.
Athake umuntu angakhuluma ke lapho ke ume phakathi nendawo mayana nolodaba lolo.
Thank you, sir. No further questions. Thank you, my lord.
Thank you.
Thanks. Are we sitting tomorrow, Doctor?
My lord, tomorrow we do not have a witness. The only witness is available on Wednesday for continuation. It's going
Who's
to
the
be
witness?
Brigadier Gininda.
Oh, is that so?
Yes,
It's not available tomorrow.
it's not available tomorrow,
Okay, so we sit on Wednesday.
on Wednesday.
Okay, Coach, then we'll adjourn until Wednesday.